If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then what you can do is you can, for example, open the Control Center or Quick Settings, and usually here, at least by default, you should be able to find the Quick Share button. We can tap on it in order to immediately jump to Quick Share. Now, if you want to send files, then of course here at the bottom we can go to Send. Then over here we can choose to select files that we want to transfer. So over here we can of course go through, let's say, our storage, or maybe you can go to images if you want to find anything that you want to transfer. Let's say I'm just gonna pick this photo over here. Then I should be able to find my devices that are visible, and also nearby devices. So if you want to send some files to your friends that is next to you, if they have Quick Share visibility enabled, then you should be able to find them over here. Alternatively, you can also generate a QR code, so you should be able to scan the QR code over here. And the other device can scan this QR code to open the link in the browser and then download files that you have selected in here. And to your friends, if, for example, you want to transfer files to your friend, they can make sure that they are visible by changing, of course, the visibility. If you go to who can share with you, then here you can set up the visibility. And in addition to that, they can also just stay here in this receive menu. If they are here, then temporarily they are visible to everyone, so it's definitely easier to find another device, to find the device on another device if you keep yourself there. What you can also do is you can of course use pretty much any app that allows you to share files, whether it is the Photos app by Google, whether it is the Files app, and so on and so forth. You should be able to just simply choose whatever you want to transfer. Let me just quickly skip through that. So if you select anything, of course, you can start sharing. And then over here, you can use the share button. There we go. Then we should be able to find Quick Share. And sometimes you can immediately find options from Quick Share. So for example, nearby devices that you want to transfer to. So you can select that. And this works pretty much anywhere where you have the sharing option. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.